Welcome or welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are going to discuss December. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please do press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. The bell icon will help you out. It will give you a notification every single time I upload a video. I usually upload once a week, but it's December and therefore we're doing something a bit different. In fact, some might say that I've lost my mind. Maybe I have. I don't know. Why are we doing this? We have decided collectively as a team, which basically is me plus some amazing helpers, that we're going to release a video a day for December. So basically I will probably have bitten off more than I can chew, but we're going to try it anyway. So for December, things are different. It is holiday season, and whether you celebrate Christmas or not, that's fine, because really I'm not really going to discuss Christmas ever again after this point. And really, we're just going to have a really fun December. So throughout December, we're going to be doing many videos, and they're going to be broken down into specific groups. We're going to have Bryt Diaries. Bryt Diaries are going to be all about Bryt's training and how we make her into the world's best model for dog photography. That was a big claim, probably not going to happen, but we're going to go through it. Basically, how do I train my dogs so that they are like Alfie, so that they are like Piper? Bryt Diaries is one of the options. The other options for videos that we're going to be doing is going to be doing shoot videos. So we're going to be out shooting and we're going to be doing some shoot videos. Those will happen in most weeks, I think. We will also be doing Photoshop tips. So tips and techniques that I use all of the time on my own work and that I teach other people, usually either on workshops or in one-to-ones, but we will cover off some of those techniques in December. We're also going to do some Lightroom tips, because Lightroom tips are also important for life itself. And the final thing that we're going to be doing is things like this, what I'm going to call table talk, because we're sat at the table and we're talking. So for those things, I've just made myself laugh. That was a good joke. What is happening? Oh, I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I think this is a ridiculous idea. So yeah, the last thing so like I've just said, the other thing we're going to be doing is table talk, talking around the table about things that I feel are truly essential for photography and for life itself. So we're going to be discussing lots of different things, like how to become a professional photographer in your brain. We're also going to talk about what else have we done? What's our table talks? We're also going to be doing some little bits of kit reviews. So we're going to be going through some bag reviews. We're going to do what's in my kit bag. We're going to do all sorts of other little weird and wonderful things that don't fit into a specific shoot or a specific technique when it comes to editing stuff. So it's going to be an action-packed December. I really hope that you come along for the ride. Yes, I know your notifications are going to be going crazy, but I promise it's only for December. And after that, we are going to calm down and maybe take a short break, because this year has been insane. So December is going to be fun-filled, it's going to be action-packed, and hopefully it's going to be extremely educational. I'm going to ask you once and one time only, which is right now, to please, if you find any of this YouTube channel helpful, share it. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with strange people on the internet, and we can make this community grow even more. And these cute dogs, what have you got to not like about that? Really, nothing. Nothing at all. The only thing that is normal about December is that we're going to do the normal challenge review day. That's going to happen on the first Friday in December, which is this Friday. So there's going to be the November challenge review and the December challenge release as normal within that period. There also might be some extra little bits of things happening over on Instagram. So if you're not there, be there, or be square. you know. So if you want to, please do go ahead and join us over on Instagram. Instagram is kind of, I do post more pictures normally, and I do try to keep it updated. It is a very, very, very busy time for us. As you can tell, I'm probably a bit sleep deprived at the moment, although I'm not doing all of the night shifts with the puppy. That does fall a bit to Dan. So, I mean, that's kind of all I can say about it. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and press the bell icon, although I can understand why you might not want to press the bell icon this month, because there's going to be a lot of notifications, but they're going to be awesome. So just stick with it, go with the flow, and I'll see you again probably tomorrow.